Now, despite how old the creation of the pyramids are, we still use what is called the gypsum mortar, which is used to create structures in drier places, much like the pyramids. Although the pyramids were one of the world's biggest creations, it opened up a door for an even bigger and more sufficient... Oh God, I got boogers all over myself. This is so embarrassing!
So that's where it all started?
Yeah.
Today we're gonna be talking about the top 10 things you didn't know about Sneeze Boy.
This is my impression of Sneeze Boy.
Walmart employee gets attacked.
You guys ever notice how the actor that played Don Miller and Sneeze Boy look alike?
Number 6, his name isn't even really Sneeze Boy.
Back at it again. What's up, guys? It's Sneeze Boy's biggest fan here. Just wanted to let you all know that I have finally bought the tissue he used in the original video that went viral. Only $2 million on eBay. What a fucking steal. It's no doubt that your success was overnight. We just want to know, how does one adapt to that so quickly?
You know, it definitely was difficult in the beginning. You go from normal life to everything else, but it definitely did have its moments.
I will follow him wherever he may go.
How do you really sneeze though?
The same way I did in the video.
Wait, so I go like...
Yes, exactly, yes.
I must follow him.
Sneeze Boy t-shirts, available in all stores. Are you experiencing any colds, maybe allergies? Then buy Sneeze Boy Kleenex. You okay there, Sonny? Sounds like you're getting a cold. Yeah, I've just been sneezing a lot, but what do you know? Helicopter's gonna be here in 5 minutes. Bless you. I can sneeze. But I didn't. And then I just kind of sneezed. Ladies and gentlemen, we have a great... I was at the top of my game, the pinnacle of my career. But it was the night of my movie premiere, and
Do you need a minute?
you, Sneeze Boy, congratulations on your movie. Thank you so much. Now, Sneeze Boy, what inspired you to sneeze? Allergies. Do you think you can sneeze for us right now? No, I shouldn't. Yeah, come on. Yeah, this is so embarrassing. Okay, just this once, and that's it. He can't sneeze! Is this true, Sneeze Boy? No, okay, just give me a second, Sneeze Boy can't sneeze! I just couldn't do it. I wasn't gonna go out there, everybody thought I was a fraud. Sneeze Boy fails to sneeze. Earlier this week, the overnight celebrity could not sneeze. Fans are saying this is the end of his career, he's saying it's not.
This is the top 5 ways that Sneeze Boy lied to us all.
I don't know, I guess I expected more. You let me down, Sneeze Boy.
Is that him? I think it is. Hey, are you Sneeze Boy?
Yeah, you guys some fans or what?
More like Sneeze Bitch.
I went from hero to zero in under a day. It was the worst day of my life. Despite no longer being able to sneeze, Mr. Boy says he's sick of all the hate. They want Sneeze Boy? Remember that? I'm still Sneeze Boy. Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Sneeze Boy here. I don't sneeze one time, and then I'm not Sneeze Boy. I still got it. We can scratch the whole thing, and we do a Sneeze Boy movie special. Sneeze Boy goes to Mexico. Órale, cabrón. You're probably wondering why I'm recording this. People say I fell off. You fell off! Yeah. They say that, you know, who's they? And the guy walks up to the bar and he sneezes. Sneeze Boy. That's me. I'm Sneeze Boy. Remember? They said they were gonna take away my house. I wish they would, because I got something waiting for them they don't know. And just when I thought things couldn't get any worse, I find him.
Yo, what is up, guys? Cough Boy here, back with another banger. Our Sneeze Boy's falling off. Kinda sucks.
They gave him everything they gave me. Yeah, TV shows, commercials, you name it, he was on it.
Anybody need a cough drop?
It was probably the worst day of my life. You became an overnight sensation. You know, the money, girls, fame. How do you do it?
That's kind of like a loaded question. It's like asking someone, how do you breathe? It just happens.
Oh. I guess I just have one more personal question. Has Sneeze Boy ever tried to come in contact with you?
I'm sorry? Oh. I don't know what that is.
Oh. Look at this guy.
Well, I guess I have one final question. Whatever happened to Cough Boy?
Well, he got his 15 minutes of fame, and never really heard from him again. I guess he kind of disappeared like everything else on the internet. Yeah.
Okay, I think we got everything we need.
Yeah. Alright, thank you. How'd the interview go? Well, it went great. Thanks for asking. You know, we talked about the glorious days of Sneeze Boy. They asked about you. They did. They always do.
I will follow him wherever he may go. There isn't an ocean too deep, a mountain so high it can't keep me away. I must follow him. Ever since he touched my hand, I knew